Hello. Just okay. I'm just hold for a minute. Hello. Rohit, I'm audible to you?
Yes, yes, audible.
Yeah. Okay. Now we have made some function to swap the values, but it doesn't. Why so that? Because you have created object of the point class P, inside which you have P, inside which you have two variables x, y. Then you're giving an object as a reference as P. What happens when you are passing P dot x into variable A? X is passing value to A and Y is passing value to B. As you can see in the function swap P dot x. P dot x is 10. Our function swap A, that I'm passing the value to A and Y is passing the value to B, int A, int B. There in our logic, it is value is changing from A to B. They are changing the values among themselves.
Okay.
Value is changing between A and B, but not X and Y. They remain the same. So when you are swapping A and B, values are swapped, but P dot X and P dot Y remains same. Okay. Now for this,
Okay.
we will write code, write different function. Now I will call. Here I will pass P. Now you know what is P. Here P is the reference to an object.
Yes.
Okay. There I will making the reference to the object. Okay. Now write again. Save it. Now again run it. Now you see values has been swapped.
Yes.
This method,
Okay, sir. While teaching this concept, Naswap, you if you can give me practical example how it is used, or
uh,
in what sense they are used, like that.
you want to know the logic of this. I
Yes.
okay.
Suppose if you are swapping, then yes, in practical terms, where this is used,
This is
in what case?
this is the I have showed in the practical way that you using this method reference point inside which will pass the reference of the point class. So then we have new variable temp here. This is new variable temp whose value is equal to t dot x. Then value of t dot x is assigned to your t dot y variable. Then that value is again, you know, I want to, you, you will get confused if I tell you that. Mm, just for now, you practice this function. I will tell you the logic
Okay.
in detail. For
Okay.
small,
Yes.
I want to tell you because if I tell you now, you will get confused.
Yes.
Okay, just remember now. For the time being, in next class, I will definitely tell you the method. Just right now, just uh, right now, don't jump into the logic of this because you will get confused. But just do the practice which I do tell you today, and
Okay. Okay.
I will
Yes.
definitely tell you the logic because you will get confused. I will definitely know that you will get
Okay.
confused.
Okay. Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Okay. No issues.
Uh,
Yes.
uh, I will definitely tell you the logic around this in the next class. I will tell you in detail.
Okay.
Okay, and that's it for the today. Just practice it and practice it thoroughly. Don't miss any class.
Okay. Yes. Yes.
Okay. I will again send you the link of both classes.
Okay.
Okay, maybe today or maybe tomorrow in the morning in the 11 a.m. Just practice it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Rohit.
Okay. Okay. And sir, actually,
Mm-hmm.
2 days I'm going. I'm not out of town.
Okay.
So can we start? Okay. Now I will actually you share me these recordings,
Okay.
and I will install everything. And
Okay.
I think so. From Monday we should continue
Okay.
all the
Okay.
lectures, sir.
No, no worries. No worries. No worries. Okay. No worries.
Okay. Please share me the recording so I can
Okay.
download
Okay.
and practice this.
Okay. Okay. I will definitely.
From Monday we'll do regular. And sir,
Oh,
actually, one thing is that you said that it will take 6 to 8 weeks.
yeah.
I will try my best to complete everything. And
Okay.
if you get extra time, it's not that we should wait for 6 to 8 weeks only. If you
Okay.
are getting extra hours on Saturday, Sunday, then we can arrange lecture and complete the remaining syllabus also.
Okay. We will see to it. Definitely, if I got the
Okay,
time, I will do it. Okay.
okay, okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Good
yes.
night. Good night.
Okay, good. Thank you.